Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is. Okay, this holds my alternator and strip bolts. You can see the pitch and the height, they're not there anymore. So I bought a hand tap. This is 516 to be exact. And this is 516 by 18. 516 is like around a little over 1/4. Okay, I bought this hand tap set. This is the die. This will fix the strip bolts, and this will fix the strip nuts. And that's where you're gonna put it there, and then make it twist it slowly. And this is the handle for this is the hand tap. 516 to fix the strip bolts. 516 by 18. So let's insert this here. Handle is attached. Now we're gonna hand tap this. Make sure it's perfectly straight. Don't get this even at a small or slight angle. No, make sure it's perfectly straight. So 1/4 turn at a time. Okay. So if you're going to see and check, it's almost dead. No more pitch on the thread. It's almost flat. Result of this. We're gonna retread this and I'll show you the results. Make sure it's perfectly straight. Blow it. Pay attention to the resistance. If there is much resistance, don't force it. Getting there. Getting there. Almost out there. Well, there is resistance. Back up, back up, back up. Getting better, getting better. There's resistance. I'm cutting through it. I'm cutting through it. See the pitch? It's shiny, sharp pitch. Cutting through it. Cutting through it. I love it. I love it. Wow. This is 5/16, so a little bit slightly. Next size to 1/4. Okay, now let's see. See how it's shiny pitch are. See that? See that? See that? purchase a new bolt, and these are automotive bolts or machinery bolts. Okay, these are grade 10, the hardest you can use on your car or machinery. And this is 8. The hardest also on the SAE side. Now let's try if it goes smoothly. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Strip. This thread strip my bolt, and my bolt strip my thread. I recommend you guys spend on this. I mean, you're gonna be needing this. There's a big set of this, and I prepared the big set, but it's a little bit expensive.